Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning with abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness. Continue to see that throughout the day today. Temperatures will continue to warm into the 50s today, seeing highs in the upper 50s across the peninsula. We'll see a light southwesterly wind this afternoon that will pump that warmer air mass in the region. Looking at our current upper air balloon this morning, we have a freezing level at 10,700 feet, winds out of the south at 10 knots in the low levels, then becoming more southwesterly above 1,000 feet, and we're seeing more of a westerly component in the upper levels this morning, around 40 to 45 knots between 16 and 25,000 feet, with a peak wind at 44 knots out of the west-southwest at 20,000 feet this morning. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have an area high pressure that's currently off the coast that's allowing us to have more of a south to southwesterly wind for this afternoon and warmer conditions across the region. Should see temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees above normal today. We'll have a backdoor cold front move through tonight that should allow for us to see more of a northerly wind by tomorrow morning. Looking at our current satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have that abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, as well as some low clouds west of the area, with some dense fog and patchy fog across the eastern portions of Virginia, west of Chesapeake Bay, and that should allow for those areas to stay a little bit cooler for this afternoon. But here across the Virginia Eastern Shore, as well as the Maryland Eastern Shore, going to continue to see temperatures warming into the 50s today under southwesterly winds, and mostly cloudy skies with filtered sunshine with that cirrus cloudiness across the region. Looking at our European model for the next few days, today we'll just see that weak front boundary north of the region, giving areas well north of our area some rain showers across Pennsylvania as well as New England. We move into tonight, we'll see that weak boundary moving through our region here Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon we'll have another area high pressure built in from the Great Lakes. Seeing temperatures a little bit cooler, it should be similar to today across the region. And move into Saturday night into Sunday, going to see that high pressure lingering in the area. That should allow us to see temperatures drop into the 30s for Sunday morning. And then Sunday afternoon we'll have southwesterly to southerly winds across the region. That should allow for us to see temperatures warm back into the 50s before we see some rain showers move in for late Sunday into Monday. And then Monday we'll see a good amount of rainfall, or a good chance of rainfall I should say, Monday morning. And then once we move into Monday afternoon we'll see a cold front move through the region. That should allow us to see some scattered showers on Monday. And move into Tuesday, we'll have temperatures about seasonable for this time of year, a little bit above normal, as we'll have a cold front, secondary cold front, try to move through the region on Tuesday evening, and that should set up more of a seasonal type weather pattern for the middle of next week. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high of 58 degrees, a low of 45 tonight, with the abundance of cloudiness across the region, as well as that cold front moving through. That should keep our temperatures in the 40s tonight. If we do see the fog develop once again, which is only a slight chance of occurring, less than 15%, our temperatures could drop in the lower 40s tonight, but expecting that to stay in the mid 40s. Winds today will be out of the southwest, 6 to 11 knots, becoming more westerly to northwesterly overnight with that cold front moving through the region. And they will be light tonight at 48 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. Any ceiling should be well above 3,000 feet. Tomorrow morning we should see a broken deck around 4,000 feet, as well as 15,000 feet, 25,000 feet. So that will be the time period we see closest ceilings to VFR conditions. MVFR conditions. Looking at overnight tonight, there's a slight chance we see some fog in the region, scattered at 800 feet, 4-mile statute visibility, but most likely that will not occur, as we'll have that cold front moving through, and winds should stay up enough to allow for the fog not to occur. Looking at our weekend, we'll have partly cloudy conditions and mild temperatures, a high of 58 degrees on Saturday. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a chance of fog, a low of 34. And Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of lingering fog in the morning, and then a chance of rain showers by evening. We'll have a high of 55 degrees. We'll have yellow conditions, so about a 30% chance of that fog in the morning on Sunday as well as Saturday night. And we'll have about a 30% chance of those rain showers late Sunday. It looks like most of that rain, or the bulk of the rain, will come in after 0Z or 7 p.m. on Sunday. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have 58 degrees today and tomorrow, 55 on Sunday, and then a warm one for Monday, 66 degrees with that cold front moving through, a very mild air mass ahead of that cold front. 60% chance of rain showers for Monday, 30% on Sunday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, going to see temperatures in the 50s. Continued above normal temperatures, seeing about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for Wednesday, and then about 10 to 15 degrees above normal for Tuesday and Thursday. Going to see anywhere from mostly sunny to mostly cloudy conditions for the middle portion next week. And then we'll have another system moving through for Thursday and latter portions of next week that's going to provide us another chance of rain showers. Looks like that system should come through Thursday night and Friday. It's only about a 20% chance of rainfall on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.